Hey guys, it's Kevin again, and welcome to another short video where I'm going to show you behind the scenes look at how I created this image right here, this digital painting that I have of Peter and Jesus walking on the water, and I had a lot of fun with it. And I just want to show you a quick speed art video of how I created it, and I'll kind of give you a little bit of commentary as we go. So let me go ahead and start playing this, and you can see I started off with just basic brushes, just blocked in a lot of color here, and I really just wanted to figure out the main feel of this picture. So I've got a lot of blue here on the bottom, and I've got the moon there at the top, and I've got a lot of teal colors and navy blue colors, and later I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to the glow of the moon. But really the first part of this image is just kind of filling the image out. Where do I want the sky to be? Where do I want the water to be? Where do I want the highlights to go? And just stuff like that. But I'm using just basic little textured brushes. They're nothing really fancy here. But I use that texture brush to kind of paint the clouds as you see going around the moon. But I use that same brush to go down into the water as well. And so I spend about equal amount of time on the clouds as I do on the waves. And I just kind of bounce back and forth. I start at the top, then go to the bottom, and then go back up to the top. And just depends on what part of the image I want to work on. But just a couple basic brushes, just painting these highlights out. Obviously, we have a bright moon up in the sky, so there's going to be bright highlights on the ocean below, and so that's where the brightest part of the scene is going to be. And then the waves are mostly dark because it's at night, and but there's a little bit of green, a little bit of teal colors in there as well, just to bring out just a little bit of the translucent color of the waves. But that's basically it as far as the colors go. Now, when it comes down to the boat and the two figures walking on the water, that's where I struggle at as an artist. I can't really draw people, and so I needed to get a picture of a boat. And so I went online and just found a picture of a boat, cut it out, and then I just started kind of drawing shapes based on that original shape. It's not the best boat I've ever drawn, but it's so small in the picture that hopefully you'll forgive me on how it looks. But I just wanted just a quick little shape of a boat that's going to be off in the distance, pretty far away. And once I had the boat in there, I felt like I could go and start drawing the people as well. And so I drew some little stick figures here. You can see I've got Peter on the left and I've got Jesus over here on the right. They're so small that there's really no room for detail in them. They're just more or less silhouettes way in the back. And that's because I can't draw people. That's just one of my limitations as an artist. So I made them really small and in the background. What I really wanted it to be is just an overall bird's eye view of the whole scene. The moon is coming out. That's illuminating the water, so you can actually see something. It was probably a lot darker when Peter was walking out on the water. It was probably very dark, but I didn't want to make a black picture. I wanted to have a lot of light in this picture just so you could see stuff. But once I had the people in there, once I had the boat, really the rest of the way is just adding little details, just adding little highlights, changing the colors up a little bit, making the moon just a little bit brighter and a little bit warmer, and just overall just having fun with it. And it took about 3 hours or so to paint this. Just something that I enjoy doing, not the best at it, but I enjoy doing it. And this is the final image that I had. And I hope that you like this picture. I hope that you liked watching how I painted this. And really a fun project, but I just used a couple basic brushes and painted everything in there, just played around with it, had some music going on in the background, and just got into a groove. But guys, that's all I got for this video. It's a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you how I painted that. And I look forward to doing more paintings in the future, and I'll try to record those videos as well. But that's all I got for this video. I will see you again very soon. Thanks, guys.